Hello, this is a quickie tutorial to introduce you to the Quenza app, how the Quenza app works, how to create a Quenza account, how to access the Quenza app, and how to get started with activities that can be found within the Quenza app. The Conscious Center utilizes a mobile application or app called Quenza to augment your learning sessions and help extend the benefits of our sessions into your daily life so you can see consistent progress and stay motivated on your path to growth. The Quenza app is a digital tool that we'll use to make your learning journey more interactive, convenient, and personalized. Think of it as your learning companion between sessions designed to help you stay engaged, track your progress, and get the most out of our work together. So how does it work? Well, there are personalized activities. Through the app, you will be sent tailored exercises, reflections, or tools that align with your goals. These are simple, actionable, and specifically designed to help you apply what we discuss in real life, making you feel understood, and catered to. Convenient access. You can complete the activities on your phone, tablet, or computer whenever possible, so they fit seamlessly into your schedule. Feedback and support. The app allows us to stay connected. You can share your insights, ask questions, or provide dates or updates and be offered feedback or additional resources promptly. Track your progress. The app helps you track your achievements and identify areas where you might need more support to make your learning as effective as possible. And finally, it's convenient and secure. Your information is private, and the app uses high-level security to help keep it safe. This ensures you can confidently use the app knowing your privacy is protected. How to access. The following is a step-by-step guide of how to access the Quenza app. Number 1. Step 1. Check your email for an invitation. Look for an email from Quenza on your or your coach. That's me, Pammy Parker, inviting you to join the app. And you'll see it's from me, Pammy Parker, and it may be in your spam box. You can also search for the subject line, which states your coach, Pammy Parker, would like to connect with you. And next, click on the link in the email to get started. Step 2. You'll be directed to an invitation form. Agree to receive email messages from your coach, that's me, and click the Terms of Agreement or Terms of Service to access. Agree to the Terms of Service. This is necessary to continue. Step 3. Create your account. You'll be directed to create your account page and to create your password. So create your password, tap Continue. Step 2. You'll be directed to create your account registration page. Enter your details, first name and last name. Select country, time zone, and language. Tap Start using Quenza. Step 4. Set up a PIN. What we want you to do is to create a 4-digit PIN, which is a personal identification number. And don't forget it, write it down, something that you'll remember. Tap Continue, and you'll be directed to Repeat PIN page. Type the 4-digit PIN you created for your account, tap Continue, and you'll be directed to the Quenza homepage. How to view the Quenza app. Next, we shall review how to view the Quenza app. Step 1. Download the Quenza app. You can do this by searching for Quenza on your device, your iOS for iPad and iPhone. You would go to open the App Store, or if you have an Android, then you can open the Google Play Store and then download and install the app. Next, you'll want to log in. Open the app and log in with the PIN you used to create the account. Enable notification when prompted to stay updated on new activities or messages. Next, get started. You now have access to activities, pathways, your inbox, your notes, your files, and so much more. To access, simply tap the icon. Now note, a red dot will be found within the icon, and this red dot will indicate that there will be items waiting for you within the icon. That's it for now. It may be helpful for you to note that you may gain easy access to the app on your desktop or laptop when you use the URL my.peace.coach. Thank you for your attention. We hope this presentation's been helpful.